Hello YouTube, welcome to another LegoNmore video, and in this video we're going to be speed building this wonderful Lego Star Wars set. This is official Lego set 31200. This is the Lego Star Wars, the Sith art set from 2020. This is a wonderful set and I can't wait to get building in this set. In this video we're going to be building the Darth Maul version. Maybe in the future I might build Kylo Ren or even Darth Vader in the future, but just for now we're going to build the Darth Maul one, and then also we're going to review that in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. This set comes with 3,406 minifigures. It retails for about £115, 120 US and about 120 euro. This set in here in Australia, when it first came out, believe it or not, it retailed for $200. That ridiculous RRP price has gone down to about 179, but this set is closing to retirement. I did see this set go down to about $100, but unfortunately I missed out and had to get it for 125, which is still a pretty good price. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox and see what's inside this box first. So as you saw before, the artwork on this set is quite splendid. I quite like it. It's a little bit weird how this box opens up like a pizza box. It's quite like a pizza box. Inside, of course, is a little bit different as you got Lego inside. This box is split into 3 different sections. You've got this section, this section, and this section. In this section, you've got about 3,000 dots that are going to go create the artwork itself. You're going to have quite a bit of leftover dots left over at the end of the building. Then under these flaps here, you've got this splendid looking instruction manual, Star Wars instruction manual. Quite a nice one, I have to say. There's a little bit of information about the designer in here, and then you've got a bit of information on all the characters. So you got information a bit on Darth Maul, which is the one we're going to be building in this video, Darth Vader and Kylo Ren. And then the next page is about, you can scan this QR code and you can listen to the soundtrack, which I'll probably consider doing. And you got a brick separator, and then this is where you see and choose your path and go to the page. So here is the 3 different models you can make: Darth Maul, Darth Vader and Kylo Ren. I'll probably be doing A, which is Darth Maul. I kind of like it, and I like how it's much more detailed. As in the Kylo Ren one, you just got really mostly the lightsaber in most of it. In this compartment here, you've got a couple more parts. Let's see if we can open this up. In here, you got the parts that will make the frame of the set. So you got quite a bit of parts to make the frame in there. Close that up for now. And then in here, separate box. I'm pretty sure in here is, let me see if I can get my Stanley knife. In here is all the plates that are going to create the platform for the artwork itself. So you put dots on these, and I have to say these are quite nice. As you can see, they're quite massive. You will be using 9 of these, which will clip into place to make this massive artwork, which will just look splendid once I put it into the Lego room. So guys, hopefully you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Enjoy the time lapse. Like, comment, share, and enjoy the time lapse. So guys, after quite a number of days and lots and lots of building, I finally finished this Lego Sith art set. I still have to build the ultimate Sith art, which will be coming out in the very near future. That video, probably not for a while, because I'll be probably building that in the next school holidays, which is about 8 weeks away. But this is what I've built, the Lego Sith art Darth Maul. It's quite a cool one. I quite like. I really enjoyed it. It's very different compared to building modular building, or like a city set or a friend set or Star Wars set, brick built sets. It's just so different. This is just very time consuming. If you make one mistake, it's going to stand out so much. I'm pretty sure I didn't make any mistakes, and I think the price of this set's a little bit ridiculous, as this retails for, well, used to retail for $200, and it's just crazily overpriced. I got this for $125, which is, in my eyes, a little bit too expensive as well. But hopefully you've enjoyed this speed build. Stay tuned for the review on this set, as it'll be coming out in the very near future. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share. LegoNmore out for now. Bye bye.